It is the 16th. Good morning. So much quieter. If you saw my video yesterday, you understand that like my kids are so full of energy that they like drain me. I'm wearing a fun little reindeer shirt. So here we are, we're gonna open up day 16. And it is a small one today. Ooh. Ooh. Any guesses? I'll give you a chance to guess in the comments. And now I'm gonna open. You can hear them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whoa. It is a thread cutter pendant. So you can wear this around your neck while traveling and you're doing your English paper piecing. That is splendid. So you basically cut the thread in those little grooves. Who would have thunk? I never knew this was a thing. All right. So tomorrow's the 17th. This is the 17th. I'm gonna guess thread. All right, we are getting down to it. I'm actually kind of sad that I'm not gonna have something to open and have a video for you every single day. But this has been so much fun. Again, comment below. What videos do you want to see from me coming in the next year? Excuse me. In the new year, I was thinking about doing a pillowcase tutorial, maybe a couple zip pouch tutorials, a chapstick holder tutorial, or just something like maybe some standard sew along. So I would love to hear from you guys. All right, see you tomorrow for day 17.